Hi everyone, I'm Maria from Storyblok and I'm joined today by Daz Gordon.
Hey.
Hey, how's it going, Daz?
It's great, yeah. Good
Great.
day so far. So
Awesome. How are you finding JoyConf so far? It's our first day today, so
Yeah. Hey, yeah, first conference. Yeah, really good energy here today as well. There's a big bunch of us from the Postcode Lottery group, from developers, designers, myself as a product manager. So yeah, seems like the atmosphere is buzzing. Loads of
Awesome.
chat happening. Yeah.
Awesome, great
Right
to
there.
hear. Maybe you can tell us a bit about what you do at Postcode Lottery and how you got into Storyblok, maybe.
Yeah, sure. So I've come from a decade-long career in product management. I joined the Postcode Lottery June last year, so I'm over a year now as a product manager, working across our group website ecosystem. But essentially, that means rolling out our content management system, Storyblok, to all of our markets across Europe. So UK, Germany, Netherlands, Sweden, Norway, and soon to be Canada.
Wow.
So yeah, it keeps me busy,
Yeah.
working with a big team. Yeah, it's exciting. Yeah.
I'm sure it does. That's amazing to hear. And how many users do you roughly have on Storyblok right now? Do you know for the top of your head?
As in terms of our internal users.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
So I think we have 300 license account. So we have our content marketers, business owners, designers, developers. We have a bunch of people in there across all of our countries as well. So yeah, highly engaged team in the Storyblok CMS day to day, using it, interacting, publishing on a near daily basis. So
That's
yeah.
amazing to hear. Fantastic. So this is the first day at JoyConf. You were in the keynote room in the morning, right? There was a lot of things that were announced. How'd you find it?
Yeah, hey, some really exciting announcements, particularly for me as a product manager working closely with the content marketers and the developers. I feel like there was something for everyone there. I'm really excited about FlowMotion, the new Strata as well, coming out. Huge potential for us at Postcode Lottery. We are in the phase of rolling out the CMS to all markets, but seeing those innovation potentials that we can start leveraging, particularly in terms of producing quality content and being able to leverage both FlowMotion and Strata in particular. I think this is going to be a game changer for us in the next coming year, particularly 2026. So it'll be a really big year for us.
Awesome.
Also the Lottery Group.
Awesome. We don't use the term game changer lightly, right? Like we don't throw that around everywhere.
No, and do you know what? I feel like it's an inception point for us at the Lottery. We are just going through that journey. Like, how can we use personalization to its full advantage? How can we go through that AI journey as well and become more automated in our own processes? So this is coming at the perfect time for us as a business. So,
Fantastic. As if you knew before, right?
Yeah, exactly. You anticipated it, but yeah, I was holding out, yeah.
Awesome. And also want to congratulate you personally because you're one of our Storyblok 2026 MVPs.
Yeah.
You're already repping the MVP swag.
Yeah,
that we
that's
get.
right,
You'll
yeah.
love to see it.
Yeah, it brings out the eyes, I'm told, yeah.
Yes,
That's
exactly.
it, right? Yeah.
Exactly. Why'd you apply?
Yeah, I think just to be part of the community. I think that change maker position was really appealing to someone like myself, not only in a product manager role, exploring these new technologies, but being able to work closely with the Storyblok team and other ambassadors and hopefully help shape that product journey. It's hugely appealing. And just to stay there, I guess, at the cutting edge of what Storyblok are doing, how you're innovating and bringing these products to market, and to hopefully just be there right at the forefront, it was largely appealing for me. I'm super excited as well to figure out my own contributions to Storyblok and the community as well, seeing some of the other really enthusiastic ambassadors and just what they're building and creating in the platform, and just being able to play a part in that. Yeah, I'm just really excited to be part of that journey for the next year. So yeah.
Just as excited about that as you are, and congrats again. Is there anything you like aside from like the cool swags and the pretty nice party that we had last night? Like, what are you looking forward to the most? And when you think about the next year as a Storyblok MVP, like what's on your radar?
Yeah, I think, I mean, the swag, obviously, massive as well.
It's good swag. We do good swag.
Yeah, rolling out the hoodies and stickers, right? So outside of that, I would say the big thing is just being able to connect with fellow ambassadors, being close with the Storyblok team. Even the last 24 hours for myself, just being able to be a fly on the wall, if you will, and just hear what people are building and creating. And I mean, I'm already learning just straight away, being able to go back to my team members and figure out how we can apply that at the Postcode Lottery as well. I'm really excited at these new feature launches that are coming through. We are rolling out to all of our markets, and that will be us a fully Storyblok driven content management system at the business. So then we can really figure out how we can start leveraging and turbocharging these next set of features, what you're bringing out on the month-to-month basis. So yeah, I'm just really excited that we're going to be able to leverage the platform to its fullest extent as a business. And yeah, I'm just being part of that.
Nice. No, we're buzzing to see that. No, honestly, we can't wait. Yeah, thank you so much, Daz, for joining us today. I hope you still enjoy the rest of JoyCon. I think we've got a few more fun things planned for this week. And yeah, thank you so much, and congrats again.
Okay, yeah, great, super. Thank you so much for having me. And yeah, look forward to the next 2 days. So yeah.